So we were gonna have a nice clip here about how we install these banners, but what was the problem, Tyler?
It was freaking hot outside.
So anyway, you can pretend that you watched us install 200 of these on the top and bottom of the banners.
A few moments later.
Hey, it's us again. We were supposed to have another clip here, but what happened this time, Tyler?
It downpoured for like 20 minutes and we got absolutely soaked.
So we're gonna ask you to use your imagination again. Pretend you watched us install 150 of these and pulled the banners tight.
I was not there.